Hello and welcome to E Prime. I am Daedran. Mr. Festival Eric Donaldson receives the Icon Award. The land of my birth singer, known for winning the festival song competition an impressive 7 times, was on Sunday conferred with the 2020 Jamaica Festival Song Icon Award. The Minister of Culture presented the award while Orville Hill did the citation to the singer during the live festival broadcast. Eric Donaldson delighted with his performance of one of his most popular songs, "This is the land of my birth."
I will never leave the shores, I will never run away. I will always believe in the black, the green, the gold, I say. Our nation's great about trials, we must face the test of time. Our people, they are strong and we are going to get along. Though some people say we are poor, but the progress you make, my friend, is not always the rich you are. This is the land of my birth. This is the land of my birth.
Eric Donaldson has also released over 27 albums throughout his career. His song "Cherry Your Baby," which won the contest back in 1971, boasts several international covers. Al Barosi has teamed up with Joe Mercer Marley for his latest collaboration, Ready. The militant reggae anthem asks the question, are you ready? As the duo, Joe Mercer Marley, son of Stephen Marley and grandson of Bob Marley, and Al Barosi spits lyrics explaining the importance of being true and authentic to oneself. The Weekend by Greensleeves and VP Records, and is available on all digital platforms. The single was officially released over the weekend, however there is no date yet for the visuals. That's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.